Hello, my name is Abby with Tuxedo Bird Creations. Thank you for joining me today and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Suzette stitch. Before we begin, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to be notified of new patterns and stitch tutorials on my website, feel free to subscribe to my newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com, where you can find all of my patterns as well as my stitch library that is growing weekly with a new stitch added every Tuesday on Stitch Tutorial Tuesday. The Suzette stitch is a very simple stitch, but it creates this really nice texture. It's the same on both sides, and it's a little thick, so it'd be great for washcloths, hot pads, anything like that. To start the Suzette stitch, we'll need to chain any odd number of chains. So for this tutorial, I will be doing 15 chains. You can do as many as you would like. Go ahead and pause the video, chain as many odd number chains as you would like, and meet me once you're done. Okay, so I have my 15 chains here, which is an odd number. And to start row 1, we're going to single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So the loop on your hook does not count as a chain. So 1, 2. We're going to be single crocheting right into that second chain, and we're also going to be double crocheting into that same chain. So you're going to have 2 stitches in that chain. So a single crochet followed by a double crochet. Next, we're going to skip the next chain, and in the next chain after that, you're going to single crochet and double crochet into that same chain. So each time you crochet into a chain or stitch, you'll be crocheting twice into that same stitch, a single crochet and a double crochet. So skipping another one, going into the next chain, single crochet and double crochet, and you can continue this pattern for the length of your chain. Go ahead and pause the video and meet me once you have 1 chain left. All right, so the end of row 1 is almost complete. We have reached the end of the row, and we have this one little lonely chain left. So to end this row and every row, you're going to single crochet into that last little chain. Just 1 single crochet, if I can get it in there. There we go. So 1 single crochet to end the row, chain 1 and turn your work. So to start row 2, you're going to single crochet right into this first stitch here, and then a double crochet into the same stitch. And then we're going to be skipping over all the double crochets that we see here. So before, when we had our work this way, we knew that the single crochet came before the double crochet. Well, now that we flipped our work, the double crochet comes before the single crochet. So we know that we're always skipping over this thicker stitch here into the single crochet here. So we're going to go ahead and skip over that double crochet and single crochet, and then double crochet into that single crochet of the set. And we're doing the same thing down the line. So skipping over this double crochet and single, and then double into the same stitch. And we're going to do this for the length of our work. So go ahead and do that pattern for row 2. Go ahead and pause the video and meet me at the end. All right, we're at the end of row 2, and you do see that we do have 1 more set of double crochet and single crochets here. So what we will be doing is, as I said before, ending each row with 1 single crochet. So we're skipping over that last double crochet, going right into that single crochet at the very end of your row, and just putting 1 single crochet in there. And then to start row 3, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to do the exact same thing as row 2. So we're starting in this very first stitch here, and we're going to put 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. And it's a 1 row repeat. It's a very, very easy stitch. We're skipping over that double crochet, going right into that single crochet. And at the end of the row, of course, we're skipping over that last double crochet, and we're going to single crochet 1 time into that last stitch there. And that will end your row. Again, very easy stitch. This is what it looks like after a few rows. It's beautiful, but so easy. If you would like If you would like a certain stitch covered in my next tutorial, please feel free to drop me a comment or send me an email through the contact form on my website, tuxedobirdcreations.com. Thank you again for joining me today for this tutorial. And again, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to stay updated, sign up for my weekly newsletter at tuxedobirdcreations.com. Happy hooking!